Looking for fun, educational games for kids? Why not start with the Cyber Threat Guardian game? It's perfect for kids ages 5 to 8, and also a great addition to your next family game night. There are 3 simple ways to play, so everyone in the family can have fun learning basic cybersecurity concepts and defense skills with this game. By using Cyber Threat Guardian, digital natives learn concepts of online safety. They'll become familiar with technology terms, and they'll begin to understand how they can protect their personal information when using computers, cell phones, gaming consoles, and much more. Through this fun first approach to learning, players will soon discover that the quickest way to win the game is to protect their network and build up their defenses. And through repetitive play, young learners will discover that there are different types of cyber attacks and unique defenses for them. Ultimately, players will learn that everyone needs to play their part in cybersecurity, no matter their age. And as always, complimentary classroom sets are provided at no cost to elementary school teachers who would like to add this to their curriculum. To learn more or to purchase your own deck, go to the website ciasgaming.com.